forecast for the Birmingham metropolitan area. Travelers advisory this morning. Today, icy spots on roadways this morning, otherwise cold with occasional light snow. Accumulations generally less than 1 inch. High in the lower 30s, west winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. Chance of snow 80%. Tonight, mostly cloudy and cold with a few snow flurries. Low in the lower 20s, northwest winds 10 miles an hour. Saturday, becoming mostly sunny and a little warmer. High in the low 40s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. At 8 o'clock, a special weather statement. Travelers advisories have been extended to cover East Alabama as light snow and freezing temperatures move east. During the past hour, no additional snow accumulations have been reported over North Alabama. However, a light covering of snow has blanketed many sections of North and West Central Alabama since around 5 a.m. Very light snow flurries continue to be seen over North and Central Alabama. Additional periods of snow showers are expected throughout the day, and there will likely be an accumulation of up to 2 inches in the northwest portion and near 1 inch as far south as Birmingham and Tuscaloosa. Slippery and icy highways have brought traffic to a standstill in parts of Birmingham, with some roads closed. Hazardous driving conditions have been reported as far south as Talladega.
You're listening to KIH54 Birmingham. This around-the-clock weather broadcast originates directly from the National Weather Service in Birmingham and is transmitted from the Alabama Educational Television Tower atop Red Mountain.
The forecast for the Birmingham metropolitan area. Wind chills tonight between 20 and 30 below zero by late tonight and Sunday. Becoming cloudy, windy and turning much colder later tonight with a 60% chance of snow. Accumulations around 1 inch possible, low near 10. A late wind advisory in effect. Winds will become northerly 15 to 25 miles an hour. Sunday, bitterly cold with snow flurries in the morning. High around 15. A lake wind advisory will be required for north winds 20 to 30 miles an hour. Sunday night clear and bitterly cold, low near 5. North winds near 15 miles an hour. Monday, partly cloudy and continued very cold, high in the upper 20s. A summary of Alabama's weather conditions. It was a sunny, mild day across Alabama. Afternoon temperatures reached the 60s and 50s. Although with sunny skies and mild temperatures, don't let that fool you. A bitterly cold Arctic air mass will move into Alabama tonight. The cold front, the leading edge of the cold air, will move into the Alabama region around sunset and move across the state by morning. Lows will dip to near 5 degrees over the north, near 10 over central sections, mid-20s near the coast. Strong winds will produce wind chills of 20 to 30 below zero over the north, and near the coast, wind chills of 0 to 10 below can be expected. The cold temperatures will continue on Sunday, with highs only expected to be in the teens over the north, low and mid-20s in the south. Strong northerly winds will continue to produce very cold wind chills. Snow will accompany the cold front with accumulations of 1 to 3 inches possible over the Tennessee Valley, with a traveler's advisory in effect for tonight. Accumulations of 1 inch are possible as far south as the Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, and Anniston areas. Winds will diminish Sunday night, but temperatures will be even colder. Lows will dip to near 5 degrees over the northern half of Alabama, ranging to the low teens near the coast. The Arctic cold outbreak will continue into next week.
Some of the coldest air ever to invade Alabama is now plunging across the state. Temperatures are already at 0 degrees around Muscle Shoals with blowing snow. Up in Huntsville, it seems like the Arctic with blowing snow and 1 degree above zero. In Birmingham, the temperature is 7 degrees, and incidentally, wind chill factors are of main concern today. Don't be outside unless you absolutely must, because wind chill factors are ranging anywhere from 30 to 40 below zero in the Tennessee Valley, and even around 25 below zero in the Birmingham area. Snow flurries as far south as the coast. At Mobile this morning, it's been snowing, and the temperature at Mobile is now in the 20s. So it's a very cold, very frigid, snowy day across Alabama, and temperatures are continuing to drop at quite a few locations. And so once again, it's advisable that because of the extreme cold, that you stay inside today and not travel unless you must. The road conditions are not all that good either. Travelers advisories are in effect for the northern portions of Alabama for some snow. 1 to 4 inches of snow has been reported across portions of the Tennessee Valley and around a half an inch to an inch as far south as Birmingham. So, aside from the snow, the cold is another reason to stay inside, but anyway, travel is definitely discouraged.
At 8 o'clock in Birmingham, we have cloudy skies with snow flurries and blowing snow. Temperature now 9 degrees. That's the low so far this morning. Relative humidity 63%. Winds from the north at 16, gusting to 23 miles an hour, producing a wind chill factor of minus 25 degrees, and the barometric pressure 30.18 and rising. Repeating the 8 o'clock temperature in Birmingham, 9 degrees. At the National Weather Service, we measured 1 inch of snow this morning.
Other reporting stations from around the region at 8 o'clock this morning: Muscle Shoals, 0 degrees with blowing snow. Wind chill factor 40 degrees below zero. Huntsville has blowing snow. The temperature is only 1 degree above zero. The wind chill index in Huntsville, 38 below. Tuscaloosa has snow flurries, 13 degrees. Wind chill index, 13 below. Centerville, snow flurries, 13 degrees. Wind chill factor, 13 below. Montgomery has snow flurries, 23 degrees. A wind chill factor of 3 below. Dothan, 33 and cloudy. Ozark, 33 and cloudy. Mobile has snow flurries and 27. The wind chill index on the coast, 1 degree. Pensacola, 33 and cloudy. Panama City, 46, mostly cloudy. Meridian, snow flurries, 19. Columbus, Mississippi, 10 degrees and cloudy. Memphis, mostly cloudy and 2 below. Nashville, clear and 13 degrees below zero. Chattanooga, 0, mostly cloudy. Knoxville, cloudy and 2 below. Atlanta, snow flurries, 10 degrees. Columbus, Georgia, snow flurries and 21.
Travelers' weather for the southeast: extreme cold gripping the region through Monday. Strong winds will produce extreme wind chill and problems for high-profile vehicles today. Unnecessary travel is highly discouraged. Travelers' advisories are in effect this morning across the northern portions of Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia due to snow and icy spots along roadways. Travelers' advisories also cover the entire state of Tennessee. 6 inches of snow is on the ground at Nashville. Travelers' advisories are out for all of Kentucky due to blowing and drifting snow today and dangerously cold wind chill temperatures. Clearing skies will overspread the southeast later today. As precipitation gradually tapers off, it will be fair but bitterly cold tonight. Record temperatures are expected. In these cities, these are the forecast low temperatures for tonight. Louisville, Kentucky, minus 10 degrees. Little Rock, 6. Nashville, minus 5. Memphis, 3 degrees. Jackson, Mississippi, 7. Mobile, 10. Pensacola, Florida, 10 degrees. And Atlanta, Georgia, 5. The cold air will even reach Florida with a hard freeze of about 22 degrees in the Orlando area tonight.
7 degrees in Birmingham, 10 degrees in Jackson, Mississippi, 13 degrees below zero in Nashville, Tennessee, 2 degrees below zero in Memphis, Tennessee. All of these are now new record low temperatures for the state. A significant fact is that up in Nashville, Tennessee, 13 below is the lowest temperature since the all-time record low temperature of 15 below occurred on January 24th, 1963. Also, in Memphis, Tennessee, this is the first time that the temperature has dropped below zero since December 25th, 1963.
You're listening to a continuously repeating and frequently updated weather broadcast coming to you directly from the National Weather Service in Birmingham.
The forecast for the Birmingham metropolitan area: a traveler's advisory in effect for snow and roadways. Wind chill of 20 to 30 below zero today. Today, bitterly cold with occasional snow flurries. No significant additional accumulation. High temperature only around 10 to 15 degrees. A lake wind advisory is in effect for north winds of 20 to 30 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy and bitterly cold with a low of 0 to 5 above. North winds near 15 miles an hour. Monday, partly cloudy and continued very cold, high in the upper 20s. The extended forecast, Tuesday through Thursday, generally fair and cold, lows near 20, and highs in the upper 30s and lower 40s.
5 o'clock in Birmingham with clear skies. The temperature 3. Humidity 44%, wind north 12 miles an hour with gusts to 25 miles an hour for a wind chill of 22 below zero. Pressure 30.35 and rising. At midnight, the temperature was 31 degrees. It fell steadily all day long, leveling off around noontime at about 6 degrees. Finally, at 5 o'clock, the temperature is 3 degrees, wind chill 22 below zero.
Analyses of old weather records indicate that today is indeed the coldest day since the Great Blizzard and subsequent deep freeze of February 1899. Those all-time records included -10 at Birmingham, -5 at Montgomery, and -1 at Mobile. At 7 o'clock in Birmingham, skies are clear. The temperature is holding steady at a frigid -6 degrees. Relative humidity 64%, winds west at 7, producing a wind chill index of 21 below, and the pressure 30.40 and rising. Repeating the 7 o'clock temperature and the official low temperature in Birmingham this morning, -6 degrees. That -6 easily establishes a new record low for the date. The previous record was 13, set in 1984. Not only does this break the old daily low temperature record, it's also the coldest ever in the month of January, eclipsing the old mark of -4 on January 30, 1966. But even more importantly, -6 degrees is the second coldest temperature on record in Birmingham. In nearby Penson, the low this morning was -8.
To be taxed with Mary, his espoused